Hello, good morning, everybody. Let us know a few one word substitutions in English. One word substitutions are always helpful. Instead of using two, three sentences, we can substitute with only single word, which is a good asset at interviews and is spoken English language. Let us know few words. First, resilient means able to become strong after a bad experience. For example, we will use he is very resilient means his ability to overcome that past failure or experience. Diagnosis identifying a disease or illness. He is diagnosed with cancer means he is identified with a disease called cancer. Reminiscence recalling about past events. He has a good habit of reminiscence. Compatible means going together well. They both are compatible couple. Surveillance to follow up. Surveillance of COVID patients is very crucial at moment. Multitasking to do several things at same time. He has a good talent of multitasking means he can do many activities, many arts at same time. Foresight the ability to guess the future. He has a good foresight means he has a talent to guess the future. Acronym abbreviation formed by the first letters of other words. For example, AIDS. What is AIDS? A for acquired, I for immuno, D for deficiency, S for syndrome. We'll take first letters of these four words and form one new word that is called acronym. Another example is NASA. Valid. Valid means legal or reasonable. We'll say valid information, valid signature, like that. Inflammation. Part of one's body becomes red, swollen, and painful. For example, his leg is inflamed, we'll use. Means that part has some problem by which it has become red, swollen, and painful. Hustle bustle. Hurry, burry, or doing things in a fast manner. For example, city people go in or lead hustle bustle life means they are very busy people. Mumbo jumbo confusing words or activities. For example, this script has plenty of mumbo jumbo words. Aftermath means after effects. The aftermath of earthquake is very horrible. Coma deep conscious unconscious state due to illness or injury. He is in state of coma or he went to coma immediately after the accident. Stupor unable to think due to being drunk, drugged, or very tired means he is in state of stupor, we will say. Stubborn unable to change one's own opinion. We will use she is very stubborn person or she has stubborn personality. Procrastinate lazy to do or postpone things. Students should not practice procrastination or one should not procrastinate things. Masculine related to male qualities or features. The masculine features are having beard, having good physique. Feminine related to female qualities or features. The feminine features are being beautiful and having very fair skin, long hair, etc. Then we'll use these are all called as feminine features. Subsidize for less cost or reducing the cost. The government have subsidized the cost for cylinders means gas cylinders, etc. So when we reduce the cost we'll call it as subsidize to give subsidy. Thank you.